World business analysts at long last understand that ongoing monetary frameworks are imperfect and shaky. The world's requirements are considerably more steady and solid cash. Blockchains were created by researchers on a calculation that could resolve the issues concerning manageability and versatility. In any case, there actually stayed a few inquiries unanswered. Over and over, the crossover agreement component of blockchain and different tokens spinning around it has likewise been in warmed conversations. Before we dive into the Tezos cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the one-of-a-kind highlights of Tezos. Notwithstanding, not many organizations have really gone into tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchange in local area. Colossal exchange charges and absence of straightforwardness are significant obstacles in logically evolved stages, numerous digital forms of money neglected to change these issues. Cryptographic forms of money like Tezos has progressively plagued the standard cognizance and gotten some decent forward momentum. It has stood the trial of times and will keep on doing so give it sees a mass reception. Despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain, neither the shipper nor the beneficiary and not even the sum moved is in any capacity evident to different clients on the organization. The whole structure of Tezos depends on zero revelation proof, in this way permitting numerical consistency of the whole exchange strategy, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. Putting the power eventually in the possession of the client, Tezos has ordinary overhaul plans, and that implies this convention is versatile to meet the shifted use instances of today and the unanticipated use instances of tomorrow. Tezos can trap deceitful or fake exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the first block. Tezos Value Forecast 2022. In the event that all market factors turn for Tezos, this digital currency cost will perform richly, scaling the top as previously mentioned, violating all impediments over the course of the following year. Despite the fact that it might show a few slow patterns, it would most likely give indications of fortune for its financial backers. Upheld by strong brilliant agreements, the Tezos cost may effectively contact $5.60. Before the year's over 2022. Tezos Value Forecast 2023. The driving forces cut the usefulness behind Tezos cryptographic money. Subsequently, over a time of, say, 3 years, the token is set to hurry up with different coins to show up at $6.8 cost. Financial backers, be that as it may, need to look out for any unexpected variables. No one could foresee the pandemic. Tezos Value Expectation 2024. Keeping in context, there are no boomerang impacts in the digital money markets. Tezos is good to go to certify areas of strength for it has a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Tezos coin cost, taking it across all obstructions scaling $8. Tezos Value Expectation 2025. A stunning positive thinking is likewise anticipated for the XTZ cost, basically because of its reliable exhibition throughout the long term. Subsequently this year will be a super mother lode for the cryptographic money market as the valued computerized resource will outperform all assumptions and flood in front of its significant opposition level. Seeing an ascent more than ever, the Tezos cost makes certain to cross another unequaled high of $10 from where it stands today. Tezos Value Expectation 2026. Almost certainly, a simple to utilize Tezos, XTZ, is great. It is more useful and promising when it is not difficult to spend. Tezos laid out a quick, solid organization and worked with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the XTZ with valuing increment a lot higher to the new all-time high around the $12 mark. If the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2026, the Tezos value changes might try and see a colossal development in the following couple of years. Tezos, advancement from quality to Goliath. Breaking free from the past blockchain, Tezos was begat as one more upset in the realm of second-age blockchain in the year 2018. Affectionately called a local digital currency, Tezos blockchain is equipped for facilitating brilliant agreements and dApps. Presently, what compels Tezos stand apart from its rivals like ETH, Bitcoin, and others is that here the direction is incorporated into the blockchain itself. Every one of the proprietors, i.e., financial backers of Tezos, the local crypto XTZ, vote on choices connected with the blockchain, including convention changes. Supported changes are then consequently applied, as the blockchain is self-change proficient. This interesting attribute causes the whole convention to bring security, particularly with no significant stage-arranged picture changes. Dealing with evidence of stake, POS, causes Tezos to bring the benefit of lesser exchange charges to the table. In the POS framework, where stakers are called pastry specialists can secure their tokens in return for the capacity to approve blocks. XTZ tokens with a typical measure of remunerations get disseminated to bread cooks to wallets that have appointed tokens to the pastry specialist. This empowers more modest symbolic holders to take part in the approval and process in the event that they hold not exactly the necessary add up to turn into a full cook. The last year was moving with enthusiasm to express P2. Primarily because of pandemic negative patterns winning carrying the coin to 90 pennies. Notwithstanding, the start of 2022 implied XTZ could offer a buy to all negative and critical patterns for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for XTZ. It could mean the beginning of a time of expectations and commitments loaded with confidence. There could be an estimate of wonders in the realm of cryptographic forms of money like XTZ, there could be wizardry temporarily. 5 years is quite a while. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul as opposed to the present moment. As per the most recent long haul Tezos cost conjecture, the coin cost will hit $5 by the center of 2022 and afterward $10 toward the finish of 2024. The Tezos forecast expressed states that the coin would arrive at $7.56 by 2022. As per ongoing long-haul gauges, the cost of Tezos, XTZ, will cross $13.58 toward the finish of 2022, $9.81 toward the finish of 2023 and $59.88 toward the finish of 2025. Tezos will then be valued at $48.18 in 2027, and $168.68 in 2030. In view of our Tezos cost figure, the XTZ cost could stretch around $3.50 by 2022. The greatest cost may be around $4.34 and the base will be around $2.95 before the current year's over.